Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create your own Binance Web3 wallet step by step. This Binance's new self-custody wallet, which means you control your crypto, not an exchange. It's fast, secure, and supports multiple blockchains. Let's dive in. First of all, make sure you have the Binance app installed or and updated. Open the app and tap on Binance Wallet. It's look like that. Wait a minute. It's look like that. From here, open the next look for Web3 wallet. Tap near top and tap it. You will see a welcome screen explaining the wallet features like multi-chain support and dApp access. Tap create wallet. Now give your now give your wallet a name. This is just for your reference. Next, set a passcode. To protect access, this is different from your Binance login. It's for your wallet only. Optionally, enable biometric unlock like Face ID or fingerprint for quicker access. Once done, tap continue. Now comes the most important part. You have your recovery or seed phrase. This is a list of 12 and 24 secret words that gives access to your wallet. If you lose this, you lose access. Binance cannot recover it for you. Tap reveal seed phrase and carefully write it down on paper, not on your phone or online. Then confirm the phrase by selecting the words in the right order. Only after you have backed in it set up safely, then tap finish. Wallet interface overview. Your Binance Web3 wallet is now created. You will see the dashboard showing your wallet address, your token balances, chains supported like BNB, Chain Ethereum, and more. Tap the settings icon. To manage your backup, view wallet address, export private key. You can also receive tokens, swap crypto, or connect to dApps right from here. To start using your wallet, you will need to fund it. Tap receive from here. Choose a network like BNB, Chain, or Ethereum, and copy your address. It's look like copy your address from here. Is this here? It is. Now go to your main Binance wallet or another exchange to send tokens to that address. Make sure to always match the network. Sending Ethereum to a BNB address won't work. Once it arrives, it shows up on your dashboard. Here are a few tips to keep your Web3 secure. Never share your seed phrase. Only connect to trusted apps. Use hardware wallets for large amounts. Always check the network fees before transacting. This wallet gives you full control, but with that comes full responsibility. And that's it. You have just created your own Binance Web3 wallet, ready to explore DeFi, NFTs, and more. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment below if you want a follow-up video on how to swap to stake using the Web3 wallet. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there. I will see you in the next one.